Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be extremely short only because I am stuffing the other portion of my bills. So let's get right into it. First thing is first is put this money in the tray. So I don't know if you guys all follow me on Instagram, but for those of you who do follow me, if you guys remember, I mentioned something about my electricity bill being free for the month. I don't know why, but I'm not complaining. So I decided that instead of using that money and putting it as a rollover for the next month, I want to contribute to something that I do every month, which is actually once a month. So let's open this and I'll tell you guys in a minute what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out my paycheck breakdown, and we're going to go based on this, what we're stuffing. So the $125 extra that I had for my electricity, I decided I want to keep $25, right? And then the $100, I want to put it towards my church. So my church feeds the homeless every third Saturday of the month. So tomorrow, the 20th, is Saturday, right? And that's the 3rd of the month. So that means that we are feeding the homeless tomorrow morning. So I'm contributing $100 towards that. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it under Ty, and then once I see the coordinator in my church, I will give him the $100 to put towards like any food or anything that they spent to feed the homeless. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So Ty already has 10 in here. We're just gonna keep it like this so I know that $100 is going towards that, and then the other 10 is for Sunday Mass. And that is it for this envelope. As you guys can see, I still have like money in here. I have self-care, and then I have, yeah, that's about it. All right, so let's close this up and put this here for now. And now we're gonna go into our bills. And you guys, look how pretty this thing is. So I got these from Budgetz. These were actually freebies from her. I ordered a 10K zipper envelope from her for my 10K challenge. That's this one right here. It's so beautiful. So she also sent me these as freebies, and these are gorgeous. Look at this. So I'm just gonna keep it here until I decide to use it. But anyways, I have my paycheck breakdown here, and we are going to be cash stuffing only 4 of my bills. So let's get started. So rent, I pay $1,092 a month. We have $546 here, so now we're gonna put the other portion of the rent so I can pay for this month's rent. So that is $546. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 250. That's 4. Wait, is it 1, 2, 3? Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 500. 20, 40. 5, and then 6. So let's go ahead and count this. Oh my gosh. What a mess. What am I doing? Here it goes. All right, so rent now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92. That is 1,092. And we have to pay our rent. Alrighty, for cell phone is $220 a month. So there's $110 here. Now we got to put another $110. So we're going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and then 2 5s. So cell phone now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20. That is $220. Then we have gym, and I had last said that I only had $25. I was short like $3 because my denomination were wrong. So I'm gonna add that $3 now, and this is my husband's gym. That's $28. So that's 25, 6, 7, 8, 28. And then last but not least is my insurance. I only added 4 the last time because, like I said, I had the wrong denominations. So I was short $10. So we're going to add that 10 now. And that's that. So it's 20, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, why do I have money left? $40. I don't know why I have $40 left, but I'm just gonna put it towards taxes because I need to start racking up on my taxes. Yeah, too much to get into it, so I won't get into it. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.